Hey everybody, this is Melvin with TechRunner 24/7, and in today's video we want to share with you a Galaxy Watch Ultra Band hack. And what we're referring to as hack is if you're like me and you coming from a Galaxy Watch 6, in my case the Galaxy Watch 5 to the Galaxy Watch Ultra, you have plenty of bands. I have anywhere from between 10 to 15 different bands. So we want to show you a hack that maybe you can use some of those older bands to work with the new watch. So as you can see, we have a Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I just want to show you what the band system looks like on it. Now the band system is pretty nice. I like it a lot. It's been the best. It's probably the best band system that Samsung has had. But anyway, what you do is go to the back of the watch, and there's a button right there that you push in, and the band comes off. And so this is what it looks like. This is the new band system. And to put it back on, all you do is just put it right there and press in, and you will hear it click. And so that's the new band system. Now, the Galaxy Watch 7, the regular Galaxy Watch 7, not the Ultra, has like the old band system on it. And this is what the old band system looked like. It had that curve up here. Then they had this pin that's in here that you can pull. That you stick it in one side and you pull this back, and it's set in there. And so what I did on some other bands, like on my Galaxy Watch 5, now this band was just a straight across band, as you can see here. And so this was a hack in itself, that I was able to get these pieces like this that matched up to the watch like it was originally cut. And so, like I said, the watch is straight across here, but was able to get this piece. So that's a hack in itself. And so this band right here will be a great band to use to adjust to the Ultra. And so was able to pick up some pieces, and we will leave links for both of them, the Galaxy Watch Ultra pieces and say for the Galaxy watches before it. But anyway, the Galaxy Watch pieces I bought here, got it in chrome, and I have it in black here. And this is what they look like, just to give you an idea. Pull out the chrome and the silver. And so it looks just like the band itself. I mean, like it did on the watch. This piece snaps into the watch, and you just put your band there. And so that's what it looks like in silver, and this is what it looks like in black. And so I really like this idea. Like I said, I picked these up, and I'll leave links for you down in the description area. And all you need is some pins, and we'll leave those too. Some pins that would go through the bottom of that. And so, like we said before, we would take a band like this and put that pin in like so, and you'll be able to use this same band on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. And so for an example, we're going to take this band here. This band, we'll leave links for it too. And we're going to see if we can adjust it to work with the Ultra. And so we'll pull it out real quick. And if you look at it, it just has that straight piece too, like it does here in the blue without the pin. And so it turns out this pin is actually shorter, that will go on like the Watch 6 or Watch 5. And so that's what these pins are for. And so we're going to take that pin out, put another pin in, and then we're going to attach. Let's go with the black, since the hardware on the band is black. But anyway, we're going to pull this pin out. Then we're going to grab one of the other pins to put in here. And so we're going to take our wire cutter here, and we're going to clip that little piece so we can get that pin out easier. So we're going to take that and we're going to clip it. a little hard to do behind the camera. So we got that, pull that pin off, pull that little piece off the pin, and so we're going to slide this pin out. I believe it'll slide out here. Slide this pin out. Grab another little tool here to grab that pin. And we're going to pull that pin out like so. Put it there. And then we're going to take one of our larger pins. This is a 22-inch pin. 22-millimeter pin. The one that came out of there was a 20. And we're going to stick it in there like so. And then we're going to grab our other tool here along with this piece. And this tool comes with the pins. And if you can see, it has like a little fork on the end of it, that which grabs the end of the pin and helps you to get it in the hole. So in other words, we're going to stick this one side in the hole that's at the bottom of this bracket, we'll call it. And then we'll grab this here and slide that down to where we can get it inside the other little hole on the other side of the bracket. And it's really not that big of a deal to do, and especially when you're going to save you some money on, buying bands. And so there we go. We got that on there. And you tell you, well, let's do the one on the opposite side here. I've already cut that and pulled that out. And so we're going to grab the other bracket out of the pack here, of the black bracket. Out and hold it. Then we're going to grab a pin. We're going to put the pin in first. Grab another pin. Put it in here like this. And as you see, it comes out on the other end. And then we're going to make sure to turn it around the right way now. And stick that inside the bracket. And take our tool here with the fork and pull this down to get inside the other side of the bracket. And you got to kind of move it around a little bit so it'll fall into that little hole. Just popped it loose. Bear with me here. It's a little harder to do when you're on camera. Well, okay, I think we got it now. And to tell that you've got it in there, if you look at the side of the pin here, you can see the silver, and that's the pin inside that hole from the inside. Check the other side to make sure that you got it in there so it won't pop a loose while you're wearing it. And so that looks pretty good, if I say so myself, to put the new brackets on there. And so if there's a different band, you might use silver. But in this case, the band is red and the main piece of it is black. And so that looks natural. And so what we do is we're going to go over and grab our watch here and take that band off. Take that band off, both sides that is. Grab a watch, grab the band, pull that little red part down, then press in. Yeah, that's what it was. And it snapped right in there, as you can hear. And then we're going to take the other side. We're going to bend that red piece down and put the other side on there like so. And so that's it, man. That came out real good, I think. Hit our home button. And so you got your band going, and the way you would put it on, of course, is to take this Velcro loose here. Actually, it's right here. And you just get it on your wrist like so. And so you just put that on there like so. and put the Velcro on there. And there you go. Looks good. Looks good. And of course, you probably, pick your watch face that has a little red in it, which would make it look even better. I don't think I have any watch faces with red in it at the moment. And maybe I do. Let me see what I got. Yeah, this one right here. And so that's pretty cool, don't you think? You got your red watch face, your red band. That was the old band that you had. And now you converted it to work with your Galaxy Watch Ultra. I think that looks excellent. I think that looks very, very good. So that's about it for our video for today. Sharing with you a Galaxy Watch Ultra band hack. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with TechReady 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.